Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Amazon Basics laptop stand. If you are looking for a way to improve your posture, comfort, and overall productivity while working on your laptop, then this stand might be the perfect solution for you. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, it comes in this sleek packaging with the Amazon Basics branding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It folds down to a compact size and even comes with a handy carrying pouch. This Amazon Basics stand is crafted from premium aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and incredibly sturdy. It can hold laptops up to a whopping 5 kilograms, so you can be confident it will handle your device with ease. The X-shaped design offers excellent stability, ensuring your laptop stays secure and wobble-free while you type. This stand boasts 5 adjustable angles ranging from 15 to 45 degrees. This allows you to customize the height of your laptop to achieve the most comfortable viewing position, reducing neck strain, back pain, and eye fatigue. The ventilated design allows optimal airflow, preventing your laptop from overheating, no matter how intense your workload gets. Amazon Basics laptop stand is compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and tablets with screen sizes between 9 and 15.6 inches. And to top it all off, it comes in a sleek and stylish silver finish that will complement any workspace. If you are looking for an affordable and effective way to improve your laptop working experience, the Amazon Basics laptop stand is definitely worth considering. It's ergonomic, portable, and built to last. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Amazon Basics laptop stand. It's well-built, versatile, and offers great ergonomic support for those long hours spent on your laptop. Whether you are working from home, studying at a coffee shop, or traveling for business, this laptop stand is definitely worth considering to improve your comfort and productivity. And that wraps up our unboxing and overview of the Amazon Basics laptop stand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.